Dear students, welcome to Lok Satta Yashasvi Bhavan. I am Rajendra Goswami. We will discuss the chapters and the important contents given in these chapters. For geometry, chapter 1, name of the chapter is similarity and the important contents are as follows. Properties of ratios of areas of two triangles. Basic proportionality theorem. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. Application of basic proportionality theorem. Test for similarity of triangles. It includes three tests: AAA test, SAS test, SSS test. Areas of similar triangle. Similarity in right angle triangle. Properties of geometric mean. Theorem of Pythagoras. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. Theorem on 30, 60, 90 triangle. Converse of 30, 60, 90 triangle theorem. Theorem on 45, 45, 90 triangle. Applications on Pythagoras theorem, Apollonius theorem, and weightage of marks for this particular chapter is 50. Chapter 2, name of the chapter is circle. Now let us go through the important contents of this chapter. Tangent and its properties. Touching circles. Number of tangents to a circle through a given point. Touching circles. Arc of a circle. Major arc, minor arc, semicircle. Angle subtended by an arc. Cyclic quadrilateral and its properties. Tangent secant theorem. Angles in alternate segments. Properties of intersecting secants, and weightage of marks for this particular chapter is 30. Chapter 3. Name of the chapter is geometric constructions. Let us go through the important contents of this chapter. To construct the circumcircle and the incircle of a triangle. Construction of a tangent to the circle. To construct an arc inscribing an angle of given measure. Construction of triangle. Construction of similar triangle, and weightage of marks for this particular chapter is 12. Now chapter 4, name of the chapter is trigonometry, and the important contents of these chapters are as follows. Angle in standard position. Trigonometric ratios in terms of coordinates of a point. Trigonometric identities. Angle of elevation, angle of depression, application of trigonometry, weightage of marks for this particular chapter is 12. Chapter 5, name of the chapter is coordinate geometry. The important contents of this chapter are as follows. Slope of a line. Slope of a line passing through two points. Equation of the line. Slope intercept form, slope point form, 2-point form, double intercept form. General equation of a line. Weightage of marks for this particular chapter is 11. Chapter 6, name of the chapter is mensuration. The important contents from this chapter is as follows. Length of an arc. Area of a sector. Area of the segment of a circle. Euler's formula. Cuboid. Total surface area, vertical surface area, diagonal, and volume. Cube. Total surface area, volume, diagonal. Right circular cylinder. Curved surface area, total surface area, volume. Cone. Slant height, curved surface area, total surface area, volume. frustum of the core, slant height, curved surface area, total surface area, volume, and weightage of marks for this particular chapter is 12. There are two more points, hemisphere and sphere. You have to find out volume and curved surface area of these shapes. This was the introduction of your geometric textbook. Our team of Lok Satta Yashasvi Bhava will guide you all these chapters and the important contents through their series. Now let us discuss the nature of board's question paper and also the evaluation system. In all, you have to solve 5 questions in the board's question paper. Question 1. Solve any 6 of the following sub-question and weightage for each sub-question is of 1 mark. Weightage for this particular question is 6. Question 2. Solve any 5 sub-questions. Weightage for each sub-question is of 2 marks. Total weightage for this particular question is of 10 marks. Question 3. Solve any 4 sub-question. Weightage for each sub-question is of 3 marks. Total weightage for this question is 12 marks. Question 4. Solve any 3 sub-questions. Weightage for each sub-question is of 4 marks. Total weightage for this particular question is of 12 marks. Question 5. Solve any 4 sub-questions. Weightage for each sub-question is of 5 marks and total weightage for this particular question is of 20 marks. Internal option for each question will be given. Now let us go through the evaluation system. Evaluation system has been changed from the year 2011 and 12 in the subject of algebra and geometry. For algebra and geometry, there will be a board written question paper of 60 marks each and 30 marks will be given for algebra and geometry combinedly in internal assessment. Internal assessment will be as follows. 10 marks for assignment. 5 assignment for algebra and 5 assignments for geometry will be given, each of 10 marks. Marks out of 100 is then converted into marks out of 10. 10 marks for unit test in first term. In first term, a unit test of 60 marks will be held. For algebra, 30 marks will be there, and for geometry, 30 marks will be there, and marks out of 60 is then to be converted into marks out of 10. 10 marks for unit test in second term. Second unit test will be held before your prelim exam. This unit test will be based on multiple choice question. 30 questions each of 1 mark will be asked in algebra as well as from geometry, and marks out of 60 is then to be converted into marks out of 10. So in this way 30 marks will be given through internal assessment. Written paper will be of 120 marks and internal assessment will be of 30 marks. In all, 150 marks will be allotted in this way, and the duration for the geometry paper will be of 2.5 hours.